Another way that we document our designs is through two-dimensional drawings. And so I want to switch gears here real quick and show you guys some drawing enhancements. And first we're going to focus on drawing performance. So when we think about performance in drawings, we're really thinking about, how easily can I zoom in and zoom out and pan around and switch sheets without too much delay. And if you remember back to a couple years ago, SOLIDWORKS added enhanced graphics performance for assemblies that let us take large assemblies and work with them really well. They're transferring that down into drawings. And so I want to show you a side-by-side comparison here of SOLIDWORKS 2020 on the left versus SOLIDWORKS 2021 on the right. And what we've got is a 2400 component assembly, and we've got a drawing of that assembly that has 5 sheets. When I pan it around on the left, you can see that it kind of jumps around and teleports a little bit. I mean, it's nothing major, but we can notice it versus 2021 on the right is just super, super smooth. It's almost like the difference between a really, really good refresh rate on a TV versus something really poor. It just makes for a very smooth, seamless transition. Same thing when we zoom in. Zooms really smoothly. When I pan around, everything's loading quick. All the details are there on the drawing views. If I jump back over to 2020, zooming in pretty quick, but a little bit choppy. When we go to pan around, a little bit of the same thing. I mean, it's not a major time savings that we're looking at, but it is just really, really pleasing from a user experience. So 2021 really offers a lot of enhancements here. And the big thing that I would recommend to you guys, if you want to take advantage of all of these enhancements, obviously the first thing you need to do is go ahead and update to 2021 so that you can use the enhanced graphics options for drawings. But also make sure that you've got a good graphics card, something like a new OpenGL 4.5 graphics card. It could be an NVIDIA RTX or one of the new AMDs, but make sure you're leveraging all of this new technology because it really does make for a pleasing user experience.